Vietnam is one of Asia's most active trading nations, with import-export turnover exceeding hundreds of billions of USD every year. This creates massive demand for customs clearance services. For foreign investors, setting up a customs clearance agency in Vietnam is a strategic opportunity, but strict foreign ownership restrictions apply. Unlike freight forwarding or warehousing, customs clearance services are conditional. Foreign investors cannot establish a 100% foreign-owned company. Instead, you must form a joint venture with a Vietnamese partner, and your equity stake must be less than 100%. The first step is obtaining an investment registration certificate, IRC, and an enterprise registration certificate, ERC. These licenses legally establish your joint venture and define its business lines, including customs clearance services. During registration, the joint venture structure and foreign ownership ratio must strictly comply with the legal cap. Vietnamese law does not impose a fixed minimum capital for customs clearance agencies, but the declared capital must reflect the scale of operations. In practice, joint ventures often declare between $100,000 and $300,000 United States dollars. Higher capital may be needed if you plan nationwide operations or combine with freight forwarding and warehousing. The company must have a registered head office with a valid lease contract. Customs clearance agencies must employ licensed customs brokers who have passed the National Customs Exam and are registered with the General Department of Customs. Without qualified staff, the company cannot legally provide customs services. Setting up the company follows 3 steps. Step 1. Apply for the Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, usually issued within 2 to 3 weeks. Step 2. Apply for the Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC, typically issued in about 1 week. Step 3. Complete post-licensing tasks, making the company seal, registering for taxes, and opening a corporate bank account. After the company is established, the joint venture must apply for a customs agency code from the General Department of Customs. Only upon approval can the company represent clients in customs procedures. This license requires proof of qualified personnel, IT systems connected to e-customs, and compliance with customs regulations. At LTS Law, we guide foreign investors step by step in setting up customs clearance agencies in Vietnam. From structuring compliant joint ventures, obtaining investment and enterprise registrations, hiring and registering licensed customs brokers, to applying for the customs agency code, we ensure a smooth and compliant process. Don't let ownership restrictions or licensing complexity hold you back. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.vn for a free consultation. Your customs clearance agency will be established legally, smoothly, and ready to support Vietnam's dynamic trade flows.